Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Rehbar Group of Institutions, Akola. Dear students, I am Tehseen Madam. Now I am going to teach you lesson number 2 of Standard 7th, Plant Structure and their function. Try this. Here are activity for you. Take a people leaf and a maize leaf and observe them carefully. The people leaf is divided into two equal parts by a single midvein which lies along the midline of the leaf blade. Secondary veins arise from the midvein. They are branched and form a network or reticulum. On the other hand, in leaves of maize, all the veins are parallel, running from the leaf base to the leaf apex. Thus, the people leaf blade has reticulate venation and the maize leaf blade has parallel venation. This is the reticulate venation, and next this is a parallel venation. A little fun for you. Take a fallen leaf of people and soak it in water for 15 to 20 days. Dry it and make a greeting card of the lace-like leaf to get. Now this is the activity for you. Here you collect the different type of leaves and observe them, the type of plant, type of leaf, shape, blade, venation, leaf margin, shape of the leaf apex, petiole, if present the yes and not the no, stipule, arrangement on stem. This is the activity for all students to observe the leaf and complete this chart. Now try this. Carefully observe a fully opened hibiscus flower. Flower may have a long or short stalk called pedicle. Yes, this is a green color pedicle. One end of the pedicle is attached to the stem, the other end of the pedicle is sponded and swollen. It is called the receptacle. Petals and other parts of the flower are supported on the receptacle like calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium and different part of a plant. Now calyx. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by leaf-like parts called sepals which are green in color. They form the calyx. Corolla. This is made up of colorful parts called petals. Observe the shape, color and smell of the corolla of various flowers like the rose, chrysanthemum, hibiscus, mogra, kaneer, tiger, etc. This is the hibiscus flower, and here the different parts like pedicle, petals, anther, stigma, etc. Now next part is androecium. This is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Each stamen is made up of anther and filament. Yes, this is a complete flower. Stigma, style, anthers, filament, calyx, pedicle, ovary and corolla. Next, gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. This is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of stigma, style and ovary. इसी में second point, take a vertical section of a hibiscus flower with the help of a sharp blade By cutting the flower vertically from stigma to the pedicle, both sections of the flower will be seen to have the same structure. After maturity, anthers burst and the pollen grain which are released fall on the stigma. This process is called pollination. Due to pollination, ovules, egg cells in the ovary get fertilized. Fertilized ovules form the seeds and the ovary develop into a fruit. In this way, the formation of seed are completed. Use your brain power. Of what use to a plant are the insects flitting about around the flowers. Observe the various flowers and complete following chart. Name of the flower sepals. Sepals free है ये united number of petals. Petals free or united. Form of gynoecium and ovary. Next है fruits. We get many different types of fruit. Each type of fruit has its own characteristics. There are variation in their shapes, colors, taste, etc. Mango contains only one seed, whereas jackfruit consists of many small fruitlets, each with its own seed. Observe a fruit of bear, Ziziphus. The botanical name of bear is Ziziphus. Mango, chiku, apple, etc. What do you observe? Each fruit has different skin and shell, fleshy part and seeds. In case of fruits like cashew, its seed is outside the fruit. This is called the gymnosperm. Soak the seeds of pea, wheat, rice, jawar, groundnut in water 3 or 4 hours. Press the seeds with your finger and observe them which seeds get divided into 2 equal parts. Seeds which get divided into 2 equal parts are called dicotyledonous seed. Seeds which do not divided into 2 equal parts are called monocotyledonous seeds. Yes. Here are some fruits and seeds. Yes, here we have finished the lesson number 2 of standard 7th. I hope you have listened this lesson carefully and do all the exercise of this lesson. First, give examples of 3 plants that have spiny fruits, spiny stem, red flowers, yellow flowers, leaf which close at night, single seeded fruit, many seeded fruit. Next, observe any one flower and its various parts and describe in your own words. Third, what are the similarities and differences between jowar and mung, onion and coriander, leaves of banana and mango, coconut tree and jowar stalk plant. Fourth, explain the following images in your own words, part A and part B. 5, question number 5, describe the function of various parts of a plant. 6, certain properties are mentioned below. Find a corresponding to each property and describe those plants. Leaves which is smooth surface, leaves with rough surface, fleshy leaf, spines on leaf. Question number 7, find the plant parts. And activity for you, sketch various types of leaves in paintbrush on the computer and save the sketches in a folder of your own name. Yes, dear student, watch all these science videos on our Rehbar channel. Like, subscribe and share them. Thank you.